Hello, my fellow TOE community members. For those who don't know me, my name is James. I've been part of this community for the last 3-4 years, and I've been working on something called NEXUS. It's a theory development operating system. The idea came when I thought, okay, we have this need for categorizing and synthesizing all this information that we're contributing. In the Discord chat, for example, lots of brilliant ideas just get lost in the super chat and nothing really comes from it. And I found myself synthesizing some of the conversations I would have with you find people to try to see patterns and move forward in my own ideas. So I thought that this would be a really cool project. If I show you very quickly here, the onboarding page gives you an overview as to how this works, what our values are, the extent to which the functionality is, and all these different things. So I'm going to show you a very quick overview for now. If you go and you sign in, as you do, you have the main page. And in this main page, you have a knowledge tree. That's really the cool outcome from this project, is a lot of the connections that will get made by analyzing through AI. New connections, new emergent theories should show up here in a visual fashion. And so this is just a main hub that shows you the collective knowledge of everything. In the mission page, you'll find our values. For example, we are open source, the knowledge itself, not the code. And the reason for that is it's a nexus, it's cooperative. And so it would undermine the idea of a nexus if we had competing nexuses. So the code isn't open source, but the knowledge is. It's nonprofit, but of course you still need to cover the costs for your own compute necessities. So there is a cost to this, but it's not that expensive. And if you go into the categories, you'll see in the taxonomy that this is virtually covering a lot of the different fields of study out there, basically all of them. So it's to encourage humanity to contribute what it knows from whatever point of view that you're coming from. So that's that. And then in the projects, this is the actual functionality of the website. There's only one in there for sure, because I haven't launched it yet. Here you have the overview of the theory, and then you have a discussion room. And in the main room here, the people who contribute can chat together, and at any point someone can click analyze, and the AI system will pull the contradictions, show you supporting evidence and evidence against what you're talking about, all these beautiful little things that we need when we're building our theories. And you have a private chat room in parallel as well, so you can develop your ideas before submitting to the main room. So all these things will show up. You'll have claims and evidence, a logic audit, the cross-project connections as well will show up in this project page. So there it is. You can build your own projects, cooperate with others, and of course you have the ability to do this in your own lab, so you can develop your own theories using these tools without actually contributing to the knowledge tree if you wish. So there it is. That's the main idea of the NEXUS project. The cool thing is that although it's open source and you're offering your knowledge there forever, that it still attributes and tracks, who contributed what idea, and you'll be able to download reports. So if you go into any project, you can download and it'll synthesize an actual academic paper. So lots of really cool functionality. I'll be developing it even more as we go, and the more that I get information and feedback from you lovely folk, so you have a direct influence in shaping the future of NEXUS here. I just wanted to say thanks for listening. Really looking forward to launching this over the next couple of weeks. And if you want to get early access or you have any questions, just shoot me a direct message. And I'm looking forward to working some more with you guys on our theories and knowledge and see what comes from it. All right, ciao, ciao.